Hi everyone, it's Santa. Actually, no, that's a lie. Hi everyone, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to raise money for your experimental, low budget and no budget horror films. People ask me all the time, Paul, how do you make money for your films? Well, let's go on. I'm going to show you. Ho ho ho, here we go. So what's the best way to get raise money for your experimental horror films? Well, get a job. So as you can see, to raise money for your experimental horror films, low budget, no budget, there's all different types of jobs that you can get.
Clean that toilet and I got 5 more for you.
Oh, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. So everybody, as you can see, there's lots of ways to raise money for your experimental, independent, low budget, and no budget movies and horror films. You just gotta have the holiday cheer. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page and join our barter, buy, and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.